Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power driver mirrors, remote trunk release, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.